What I have here is the iPhone 12 Pro in its beautiful Pacific blue color with 256 gigabytes of storage. The box itself is roughly half the size of previous generation iPhone boxes because, well, Apple got rid of some accessories like the charging brick and earpods. Here is a size comparison with the iPhone 10. So let's put them side by side. So on camera, you guys may not see the difference, but the iPhone 12 Pro is roughly half the size of the iPhone 10 box. So with that out of the way, let's get started with the unboxing. There's a pull tab at the bottom, so let's lift this up. So let's take a look at what's inside the box. Here we have the phone itself. Put this to the side for now. So what we have in the box is, first we have a USB-C to Lightning connector. And like I said before, there is no charging brick. There is some documentations here. Apple was generous enough to give a SIM eject tool. Here's some documentations. And one Apple sticker. So taking a look at the iPhone itself, first impressions, it feels pretty nice. The Pacific blue color is, in person, it's actually a really nice shade of blue. It's like a light baby blue in a sense. The styling of the body itself, it's like back in the day with the iPhone 4 and iPhone 5, but of course the design is in a bigger form factor. We have the power button, we have the mute switch, volume rocker. Bottom we have the lightning port, and at the back we have the triple camera system, which is improved and has the LiDAR sensor. And also the front itself, it's like a waxy paper-like material instead of the plastic that we're all used to. So lifting this up. It does not give a satisfying noise like previous generation. So as this is powering up, I would like to give some information on the specs of the phone. So we have a 6.1-inch OLED display with Apple's new ceramic shield glass. And this screen is supposed to output 800 nits in typical applications and 1200 nits for HDR. We have a Bionic A14 chip inside with 5G compatible antennas, which is located where the SIM eject tool is before. And we also have the 2815 milliamp hour battery that's supposed to give around 17 hours of video playback. Set this phone. And just for your guys' information, the SIM eject tool is now on the left bottom hand side of the iPhone. There we have it. There is the iPhone's home screen. So with that, thank you so much for watching this unboxing of the iPhone 12 Pro. Let me know in the comment section below if you're considering buying an iPhone 12 and what configuration. If you like the contents of this video, please consider liking and subscribing as it will help me out. Until then, see you next time.